Hello and welcome to another lessons by Ming, and this lesson is on expansion. Today we look at some common expansions, and what we need to do is to memorize some of these patterns, and in future we'll be able to do this faster. So let's start with the first one, a plus b everything square. Now if we do it step by step, then we will have write a plus b times a plus b by itself. So the first a times a, so distribution, remember our distribution, a square, a times b, that give me ab, b times a is the same as a times b, so that's another ab, and then b times b give me b square. So if you reorganize all of this, you find that you have a square plus 2ab plus b square. So basically the first term is square, the second term is square, and in the middle term is the product of a and b times 2. Alright, so you have a plus 2ab plus b square. So this is important. So every time you see a plus b everything square, you write this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first term square, the second term square, and then twice of the product. Now if you have a minus b everything square, well actually this is a special case of a plus b. Basically is that you can think of this as a plus minus b everything square. So if you apply this process here, then I will have a square plus 2a, and then you put a negative b in the back, plus negative b everything square. So then you will see that this is a square, this become minus 2ab, minus b times minus b become b square. So that's it. You have a minus 2ab plus b square. That is very similar. The only difference is that in the middle term, in fact the only difference is the sign is different. Here is plus, here is minus. So if you have a minus b everything square, you get first term square, second term square plus, and then minus twice of the product a and b. How about this one, number 3, a plus b times a minus b. So let's do this step by step. A times a give me a square, a times negative b give me minus ab, b times a give me ba, or that is just ab because multiplication is commutative, and then b times negative b, that give me negative b square. You can see this, the second term and the third term cancel out, so you are left with a square minus b square only. So you have a plus b times a minus b, then it's just a square minus b square. And finally last, we have this. Here, let's try to do this step by step. X times x give me x square. X times b give me bx or xb. A times x give me ax, and then a times b give me ab. So organizing this, simplifying is x squared plus big bracket a plus b with a common factor x plus ab. And you can see now what happened here is that when you have x plus a times x plus b, all we get is the second term, the coefficient of the second term is just the sum of a plus b, and the third term, which is the constant, is the product of a and b. Right, so let us use these rules and on these examples. Now before I try to do this, you may want to try it out yourself by pausing the video and work this out yourself using the rules here, and then when you're ready, play the video again and check your answer. Alright, let's check the answer. Now x plus 4 everything square. Well, that's just rule number 1, where a is x, 4 is b. So that means I have x squared plus twice of the product, so 4 and x, plus 4 everything squared. So that becomes x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now the next one. This is rule number 2, where x is a, b is 3. So I'm going to have x squared minus 2, 3x plus 3 everything squared. So I have x squared minus 6x plus 9. Alright, do you get both of these correct? Yes? Excellent. If not, try it out. Study these examples and then redo. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is of form number 3. So that is basically the first term square minus the second term square. So this is just simply x squared minus 4. This, oh by the way, this is also form number 3. The difference here is that this is plus sign first, here is plus sign next. Second term, negative sign second term, here is negative sign the first term. But you can change the order just like this. So here, in number 4 is exactly the same thing. So it will be x squared minus 7 squared. So it's x squared minus 49. Number 5. Number 5 is form number 4. So I will have first square of the first term plus sum of the 6 and 2 and x plus the product of 6 and 2. So I will have x squared plus 8x plus 12. Alright, do you get that correct? Excellent. Now number 6. Oops, we don't have that rule. But here you can think of my b term here as being negative 2. If you think of the b term being negative 2, then you just apply the process as before. So the first term x squared plus 6 plus minus 2 everything x times everything common factor x plus 6 times negative 2. So this time you get x squared. 6 minus 2 becomes 4. 6 times negative 2 becomes minus 12. So here's the answer, 6x squared plus 4x minus 12. Alright, here is expansion. I hope you have found this lesson useful. Thank you for being with me. Bye.